In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Serpentine belt on your Hummer H3 located on the front side of your engine. Down here on the passenger side of the engine, we're going to locate our belt tensioner. And right in the center is a square port to put your 3/8 ratchet. And what we want to do is we want to get that in there. And we want to lift up on this here as if we're going clockwise here. You gotta lift up on that and want to slide the belt off. Now there is a little bit of tension left on that ratchet right there. It's not a big deal. We just have it resting on the body itself. Next step is go ahead and remove the belt from all of the pulleys. It is a tight fit. Moving all around in there. And go ahead and pull that up and out. All right, now the trick here with our belt is you're gonna grab it in the center, have even amount of belt on each side. Now we're gonna drop this down, and the bottom part of this belt is going to go on top of the water pump pulley. The other sides are gonna drop off on either side and feed those down. With the belt position on top of the water pump, now we can go ahead and start routing each side around our pulleys. So the left side, we're gonna run that down around the crankshaft. Once you have that around the crankshaft, the back side of that belt is going to come up around your tensioner. It will normally run up to your power steering pulley. Now the tensioner is going to be the last one that we actually put that around. So we'll just kind of run it in that general area, holding the belt in the center section by the water pump. Now I did go ahead and pull the slack over on from the other side here, give us some room to work here. So we're going to go around the water pump pulley, feed that belt down around our AC, which is buried at the bottom there. It's normally a tough one to get it around. Once you have that around the AC, we're going to bring it up around our idler. So you're going to come up over our alternator. Then we have to run that belt on the other side of that idler there. And having a new belt, it is a bit stiffer, so it is harder to work with. Now that we have our belt run all around all of our other pulleys, I'm going to go ahead and get our ratchet on our tensioner here. Again, put that in place. Now at this point here, what you really want to do is you want to go around the perimeter of all of your pulleys and make sure that the belt is in all of the grooves. You can run your hand over each one, the crankshaft as well, that's key. And do the same thing on the other side, making sure that the ribs are all lined up in all of your pulleys. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.